Hi friends, welcome to the cooking channel Kitchen to Kitchen. Today I'm excited to share with you a complete Indian non-veg meal that you can prepare in about hour and a half to 2 hours. Looks tempting and tastes delicious. So in today's non-veg thali we have some sukka mutton. To go with it, some mutton rasa or the curry. To soothe it all out, some sol curry, white rice, some chapatis and onion salad. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, share and comment. First, in a pressure cooker add about 3 tablespoons of oil. Once the oil is hot, add some hing and give it a quick mix. Next, add a cup of onions. Fry them well for about a minute or two. Next, add about 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste. The flame is on the medium. Give it a good mix and fry everything for about 2 to 3 minutes. Next, add 2 teaspoons of turmeric powder and 3 teaspoons of salt. Mix everything well. Next, we are going to add goat or mutton pieces about 1 kg. Give everything a really good mix. The flame continues to be on the medium. Cover and let it cook for about 7 to 8 minutes, and after about 8 minutes open and you'll notice that the mutton has started to release some juices. Now add about 1.5 cups of water and give it a really good mix. Now we are going to put the lid on and let it cook for about 5 to 6 whistles on a medium flame. Open after about 6 whistles. Notice the layer of fat formed on the mutton. Give it a quick mix and the mutton is cooked well. Now we are going to separate out the mutton stock and all the cooked pieces. One is to make the mutton sukka and the other is for the mutton rasa. Next, we are going to dry roast some whole garam masala. So some dalia, some jeera, some cloves, a small piece of nutmeg, cardamom, peppercorns and some coriander seeds. Add all the garam masala to the pan and roast them on a medium flame. This will take about 5 to 7 minutes. As soon as the garam masala starts changing color and you also notice a nice aroma, they are done. Keep them on the side. In the same pan, add about 1/2 cup of desiccated or dry coconut and roast it until it changes color to nice golden brown. Keep a close watch as you roast this coconut as it tends to change color pretty fast. In the same pan, add about a teaspoon of oil and now we are going to fry a cup of onions. Fry them until they change color like this. Now they are done, let's take them out. Keep them on the side to cool down. The garam masala, onions and coconut have cooled down. Let's add them to the mixer grinder. If you have smaller attachments, you can grind them separately, but I'm using a bigger attachment and grinding everything together. Add a cup of water and grind everything to a really fine paste. Nice light brown color. Let's take it out in a separate bowl. This fresh masala paste is going to be our main ingredient for rasa and the sukka. For mutton sukka, in a kadhai add 3 tablespoons of oil. Once the oil is hot, add cumin seeds and about 2 strings of curry leaves and let it crackle well. Next, add 1/2 cup of chopped onions. The flame is on the medium. Fry the onions for a minute or two. Next, add a tablespoon of ginger garlic paste and again fry it well. You will notice a nice aroma as you fry the ginger garlic and onions together. Next, add 3 teaspoons of red chili powder, 2 teaspoons of store-bought mutton masala and a teaspoon of store-bought kanda lasun masala. Fry all the spices well. Kashmiri red chili gives that amazing red color to our mutton sukka. Next, add about 3/4 cup of freshly made masala paste and fry it well. Mix it for about half a minute or so. Next, add some salt. Give it a good mix. Now next we are going to add the cooked mutton pieces. Very gently start combining the masala paste with the cooked mutton. While you mix it, if you want, you can turn the flame to low. If you feel it's too dry, you can add about 1/2 cup of water. This will also help to spread the masala evenly. Adjust the seasoning if needed. Cover it and let it simmer for about 8 to 10 minutes on a medium flame. After about 10 minutes, open and you'll notice a nice red layer formed on the top. The mutton sukka is ready. Switch off the flame and garnish with some coriander leaves or mint leaves. Next, let's see how to make the mutton rasa, and for that in a pot add 2 teaspoons of oil. Once the oil is semi-hot, add 2 teaspoons of red chili powder and 3 teaspoons of kanda lasun masala. Fry these spices well. Next, add all the remaining masala paste. Give it a good mix and make sure all the spices blend well with this masala paste. Now add the mutton stock. To adjust the consistency, add about a cup of water. Salt to taste. Give it a really good mix. Now we are going to let this mutton rasa simmer for about 7 to 8 minutes on a medium flame. After letting it rest for about 10 minutes or so, open it and garnish it with some mint leaves or coriander leaves. The mutton rasa is ready. To make the white rice, I have combined a cup of rice with cup and a half of water in a pressure cooker and cooked it for about 2 whistles. Next I am going to make the ghadichi chapati, which goes really well with the mutton rasa and sukka. Check out my video above of 7 ways to make roti, chapati, fulka or a naan. Apply oil to both the sides and roast them well. The chapati starts to puff up. A rice bhakri or a jowar bhakri or even Konkani style vada will go really well with these mutton recipes. The chapati is ready. Serve it hot. Always add some salad with your non-veg meals to keep it healthy. Here is our non-veg meal or non-veg thali ready. Once the table is ready, dig right in. If you've enjoyed today's video, please don't forget to share your valuable feedback. Have a great day.